Hi, this is Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a roasted corn and black bean salsa. Very easy recipe to do, and all the ingredients are in front of me. The key is we don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen doing our recipes, right? And this one isn't too hard at all, and it's full of flavors, and most importantly, it's low in sodium, and that's important for our health. We got a lot to do, gonna have a lot of fun today. Let's get started. First up, we're going to get our corn roasting. So I'm going to add some oil, cumin, and chili powder. And I'm going to mix this really well. And I'm going to put the corn onto a roasting pan. We want to spread this evenly out. And then once we have it evenly spread out, we're going to roast it at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. Next up here, we'll cut up some bell pepper. We'll finally dice some red onion. We'll finally mince some garlic. And then we'll cut up some fresh cilantro. I've let the corn cool a bit, so now I'm going to add some black beans. We'll add the red bell pepper, red onion, cilantro, garlic, a little bit of salt, and a dash of black pepper. And then we'll just squeeze the juice of one lime into here. Now we'll mix this all really well. And then we'll just put it into a serving platter here, putting it next to some blue corn chips. Really easy recipe and a lot of great colors in here, and not very hard to do. So to recap today's recipe, I used red bell pepper. You can always use tomatoes. What I'm trying to do is utilize a lot of colors, so there's green, red, and a lot of colors going in there. If you're not a fan of one of these ingredients, simply just exclude it. And make sure that you rinse the black beans really good. There's a lot of sodium in there that keeps them in the can forever, so if you rinse those and let those drain really well, we're keeping this at a low sodium dish. So very easy to do, not too hard, and very, very flavorful. A lot of nutrients and vitamins going on with all these vegetables. Have fun making this one at home. If you like this recipe and many other really great recipes, you can find that at the GoodHealthTV.com/recipes website. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.